Alright guys, this is a video for the AUTOSAVER88 21-inch light bar from Amazon. It was on one of those lightning deals, so we'll be seeing what it looks like here. I left my little camera stand at the office, so we'll have to do it the old school way. Alright, that's an extremely large box for a lot smaller one. Let's put that on the couch. Alright, so this is a 21-inch light bar, but it has, I guess it would be 1.5-inch brackets, because it says that it's a total of 24 inches once the brackets are put on. The nice thing is that this knife does not take very much to cut through any material. It's extremely sharp. Oh, I'll tell you, packaging is definitely misleading, because this thing is a lot heavier. Alright, so it comes with some hardware. AUTOSAVER88. Okay. Installation notes. So what kind of stuff we have here. Safety tips, wiring. Warning letters, all that good stuff. Alright. Legs. Okay. Expected something a little bit different. But, okay, we'll see if it works. Once I mount it, I'll be able to give you guys a full look of how it looks put on. Here we go. Alright. So these are meant to be flood. These are obviously spot. The LEDs look like they have a little pretty big diodes. Using flood at the end with the spot in the center. Well, the picture is definitely a little bit misleading. Because these ends for the flood look a little bit wider on the actual advertisement. So I'll see if they updated it on Amazon. If so, then I'll try to see if I can do a side-by-side comparison. One thing I don't like is that the cord is this is actually a pretty small cord coming out of it. Even other ones I've received are usually about full body length. Yes, you tend to trim it down a bit, but not this much. This is about, I would say maybe 8 inches total with the exposed ends. So probably like about 6 6 inches, maybe 7 inches from frame to the end of the protective tubing. So that's something I'm gonna have to look around. The sides are ridged, so for the mounting hardware, it should create a lot better grip. So there, okay. Sounds like it's aluminum. No flex on the fins, so at least that's sturdy. Let's look at the side in here. Okay, it's got a little bit of raised edge gap, so water moisture would be able to fall to the sides, but then I'm gonna have to question whether it's sealed properly. It should be. I mean, obviously, I think it's rated IP68. Let's see the corner of the glass and we can get a good view of it. Well, we can't really see on the inside too much of it. So I guess we'll test it out, see how long it lasts. But alright guys, the first impression seems pretty well. The only downfall, or the only thing that I did not like, was just a short cord. Outside of that, the mounting sides do have the raised ridges, even if they are slight, which would make it better for locking in place. Like I said, the picture doesn't, on the actual Amazon page, does not match from this, at least for the flood side of it that I could see. So I'm interested in seeing how this light gets thrown by the flood side and go from there. This is a basic on and off unit, so the spot and the flood are not on separate wires, they're one wire. So power on, power off. You power it on, the entire bar is on. You power it off, the entire bar is off. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later.